Hey there, let's see how to draw a milkshake step by step. First of all, just draw a line. Now draw two lines on both sides and make a structure of a glass. Now below here, draw two curved lines. And now in the same process, draw two more lines. Let's join them. Add some texture. Draw few textures on the glass. Don't draw straight lines, rather draw some dotted lines. Now let's draw the cream. Here's a cherry fruit. Let's finish the drawing by a pipe. My drawing is done. Now let's do the outline. Let's do the coloring. Red, pink, red for the cherry, brown, pale orange, pink again, pale orange, pink again, cyan, let's add some shadow. This is how you can draw a milkshake within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.